Hello! Today, My Mickey Vacation Travel is here at Disney Hollywood Studios. Join us for opening day of Minnie's Halloween Dine at Hollywood and Vine.
A picture up there if you guys want. I mean, I can't tell you. You want to get in one?
Oh, no, no, no.
Good? Hi, and welcome.
Hi, we're excited to be back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please welcome Minnie and Mickey.
Here they come. Minnie Mouse, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see you. Oh, I love it. Oh, beautiful. Can I get a selfie? Oh, yes. All right, see if I can do this right. Oh, happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Ah. Oh, wow, Dracula. I love it. Can I get a selfie with you? Can you stand right over there? Sorry. Thank you, Mickey.
Good boy. Can I get a selfie? Thank you, Pluto. Good to see you. You like my ears?
Yes, he's your buddy, isn't he? So good to see you.
Thank you, Pluto.
Oh, you want some of the roll? Yeah, you're hungry. Bye. Thanks, Pluto. Thank you. Oh, yes. Look at that. As some of you may remember, previously Hollywood and Vine was a buffet. Now it is not a buffet, it is a table service where they bring the food to you. They have a family-style salad that is brought to the table, and then you get to choose an entree, and there's several different options of filet of beef, pasta, salmon, turkey, pork, beef tenderloin, great assortment. And then you each get a choice of a dessert as well. So some great options for lunch and dinner here. Here we have a fresh garden salad with a ranch vinaigrette, and it serves family style. And some yummy yeast rolls. Here we have the roast turkey dinner with fresh roasted turkey, green beans, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and mashed potatoes. I have the mac and cheese that has grilled shrimp on it and bacon with panko breading. Here is the apple blueberry pie. It's very much like a deconstructed apple blueberry pie that you normally wouldn't find in a buffet. And here I have a non-traditional chocolate s'mores pie. It's got dark chocolate mousse, toasted marshmallow fluff, and graham cracker streusel.